Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put sounds next to each other in CapCut. So if you want to put two different or maybe more than one sounds into your edits, here's how you can do that. First, just add the first audio, click on add audio and then select the audio. So I'm going to just select it randomly, for example this one. Here I'm going to split this sound into here, for example, then delete the rest of them. Now I want to add another sound, a different sound, so go to where the first sound ends, here for example, click on sound again, then select the other sound. So I'm going to select this one, for example, and just click on the plus icon. Now it will be side by side like this. It will place next to each other like that. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.